Hello everyone, this is Eaint. Today I'm talking about my country Myanmar. Myanmar is also known as Burma. This is the flag and capital of Myanmar. This is the national flag of Myanmar and that is the capital of Myanmar. Naypyidaw. Naypyidaw is the modern capital of Myanmar and area is 7054 km per square and population is 924608. And most visited places in Myanmar are Sritagong, Pagoda and Bagan. Sritagong Pagoda. Sritagong Pagoda is the most famous pagoda in Myanmar, located in Yangon. Height is 105 meters and most tourists also come to see the Sritagong Pagoda. Bodil Aung. Bodil Aung was a politician, independent and activist in revolutionary. He was instrumental in Burma's independence from British rule, but was assassinated just months before his goal was realized. He was born on February 13, 1915 in Namma, Myanmar. His parents are Upa and Dosu. Bodil Aung married with Dokindi in 1942. Bodil has 4 children. They are Aung San U, Aung San Lin, Aung San Suu Kyi, and Aung San Chit. Aung San U is an engineer working in the United States who has disagreed with his sister's political activities. Aung San second son. Aung San Lin died at age 8 when he drowned in an ornamental lake in the grounds of the family house. Aung San Chit. Aung San Chit, born in September 1946,